Hello and welcome back to another subscriber models showcase. These videos are where we show the community's models, not just mine. I hope you enjoy. So to kickstart the show, we have the previous model of the week. We have model of the Yeet with this lovely Sherman, or this is hand painted including the front, and it looks superb. Just give you a zoomed up footage of the front of this tank. It looks awesome. This front really does look like the real thing. You should be super proud of yourself, Yeet. Well done. As you can see here, we have moved on to the Crusader with his lovely Hetzer, German Hetzer tank. I love the scratch markings and the weathering on here. You really can see the huge amount of effort the Crusader has put inside this tank, and it does pay off. Hard work does pay off. You can see the weathering, the mud, the scratches. Well done, dude. So we are now moving on to Hobbit Fleetman 03's Japanese paint. You can see the hairspray scratching, the lovely paint job, everything. The decals look superb. As you can see, he really has mastered that hairspray technique on the chipping here, on the paintwork. I can't really do this very well, so I am in absolute awe of this model. Really, really well done. Final model of this week is made by Fishtank. This is his lovely V1 rocket. All the judges unanimously said that you are the model of the week. Really well done, Fishtank. Model of the week. So that is the end of this week's Cyber Showcase and Model of the Week. Congratulations to Fishtank, and if you did enjoy this video, please be sure to leave a like. And if you want to help us get 245, hit that subscribe button.